So online conference is better comparing to the offline one in terms of, so you will not spend a lot of money
Mm.
traveling. You should travel through online. You can it makes you easy. For example, if you don't want to travel, so you may stay on your country even, and there is a requirement, especially for students who are like me, PhD. So we have to attend the presentation, attend not attend but present on conferences, and we must show the results, and it helps to, for example, if you are working on your phase, for example, after September, we don't have enough time
Mm.
till April. So it means that uh, we cannot travel for 10 or 15 days because there are lessons has been already set. So you cannot leave that, or you have to give to other mm, teacher or lecturer. You have to find another lecture for you. So it makes hard you to attend offline. So in this period, in this time, virtual uh, presentation is the best solution.
Yeah.
So therefore, during that, if the conference are during this period, so I prefer to present online virtually. This is best solution. In summertime, when we are free,
Mm.
so you have a lot of time, you are free, so traveling is also plus. So I think that that period can be the best solution for offline conference. Yeah, yeah, I already encourage it, encouraging. So I during the conference, I made a video.
Mm.
Video means that where it's holding. For
Mm.
example, it's holding in the Amsterdam Zudi Hotel.
Mm.
So I made some videos. You can make a video, and also the organizers of the conference also helped me support them to take a video of the presentation part. So these parts, these kind of videos also encourage, motivates others. So I put it on my social media, and my friends are watching, my colleagues. So I'm telling them so how it was very great. So I encourage them that you should participate, you should go. Even being a listener is attending is must, I am saying. And I also shared the website and sharing the website everywhere. So I'm putting the video and sharing the website, so they will be able to find the conference, the next upcoming conferences. Regarding feedback, being honestly, I really liked the conference, and the place also was very nice. And we also held in our university conferences, but in our university there will be a lot of people and a lot of administrative and academic staff. But what I was like here, it was the how can I say, the academicians was narrow,
Mm.
and all of them was in teaching and research. So which we can learn from each other. For example, I have learned a lot from them, my other colleagues. So because direction, even some of them are in policy and criminology sphere. For example, I'm in management and marketing. Some of them I have seen in Silk Road. So all of them are in different spheres, but the similarity is we all teachers, most of them are teachers, so in one direction. So I have learned a lot of things from them. So and this was very motivation. And another point that the attendees, listeners, and also the presenters was from different countries, from Canada, from London, east of London University, and from Egypt, if I don't mistake, from Japan, uh, which makes how can I say that different views, different people, different opinions, different ideologies, and different cultures. So this is how can I say, this is amazing. This was the amazing experience which I got. So I think what is conference organizers are doing, so they are collecting not only from the one specific place, but from different countries, from different nations, different culture, multidisciplinary conferences. So this one of the strongest point of the conference. I believe that. Yeah.